Hello friends, welcome back to another video. The Fujifilm GFX 50S Mark II is the next medium format camera in Fuji's GFX series. A new report suggests that Fujifilm's next medium format camera will be announced on September 2nd. The upcoming Fujifilm GFX 50S Mark II has been registered in Indonesia with the certification body poster. The Fujifilm GFX 50S will be the successor to the original Fujifilm GFX 50S. The medium format mirrorless camera is expected to feature the same 50 megapixel sensor as the current GFX 50S, and it will be cheaper than the GFX 100S. Fujifilm GFX 50S Mark II specs predictions. 50 megapixel BSI phase detect medium format sensor. In-body image stabilization. 5.5 frames per second. 4K 60 frames per second video. Improved autofocus, 40% quicker at least. Improved electronic viewfinder. Separate battery grip. In addition to the upcoming Fujifilm GFX 50S Mark II, Fuji will announce the new GF35 to 70mm f/4.5 to 5.6 lens, Fujifilm X-T30 Mark II, XF33mm f/1.4 WR, and XF23mm f/1.4 Mark II lenses on September 2nd. That's all for this video. For more such news and rumors, stay tuned to our channel. Read more Fujifilm camera rumors.